everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Twisted Trellis knit stitch. Today's stitch is going to be a multiple of 2 plus 2, so go ahead and get your cast-ons. Again, that is a multiple of 2 plus 2. The extra additive 2s are going to be for our edge stitches, and this is going to be a simple 2-row repeat. And once you have gotten your cast-ons good and ready to go, we can go ahead and get started on row number 1. So we are going to start off with a knit one, and this is going to be on the right side of our work, and that is for our edge stitch. Now for the repeat, we are going to yarn over counterclockwise, and then we are going to knit 2 together. And that is the repeat unit. So again, go ahead and yarn over counterclockwise and knit 2 together. And we're going to continue doing that until we've gotten to the very last stitch, and in that last stitch we are going to place a knit stitch. Again, in that last stitch, we are going to place a knit stitch. And for row number 2, go ahead and turn your work. For our edge stitch, we are going to purl 1. And then for the repeat unit, we are going to yarn over, and then we are going to purl 2 together. Again, go ahead and yarn over and then purl 2 together. And continue repeating that until you have gotten to the end of your row. And in that very last stitch, we are going to place a purl stitch. Again, in that last stitch, we are going to place a purl stitch. And that is the 2-row repeat for the Twisted Trellis stitch. Very quick and easy to do. Sometimes getting into those purl 2 togethers and the knit 2 togethers can be a little tricky. But that is it. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or a subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.